In this video, I'll walk you through the simple review on Suno AI. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. What is Suno AI? Suno AI is a platform that lets you create music with vocals from simple text prompts. You type in a description of the song you want, and Suno AI generates a complete musical piece, lyrics and vocals included. Key strengths. The first thing that really stands out is just how easy it is to use. You don't need any musical expertise. Just type in your idea and Suno AI does the rest. It's incredibly user friendly. And let's talk about the vocals. They are surprisingly good. The AI generates natural sounding voices and the lyrics are very clear. This is a huge leap forward compared to other AI music tools. The creative potential is immense. You can experiment with different genres, styles, and moods. It's a fantastic tool for brainstorming and exploring music ideas. And it's fast, the generation is very quick, user experience. Overall, the user experience is smooth and enjoyable. The interface is clean and the generation process is fast. The ability to regenerate and get different versions of your song is a huge plus. Conclusion. Suno AI is a game changer for anyone interested in music creation. It democratizes the process, making it accessible to everyone. While there are some limitations, the vocal quality and ease of use are truly impressive. If you are curious about AI music, or if you just want to have some fun creating your own songs, I highly recommend giving Suno AI a try. It's a very exciting tool.